Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be walking you through the exact settings I use to export videos in Premiere Pro. This is the settings I use for my client, for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So let's dive right into this. Okay, so first things first, we are going to set an in point and an out point on our sequence. So by pressing I, we are setting an in point in our sequence. And then we'll have to press the O button. I'm zooming in the sequence by pressing Alt and I scroll. So basically we mark this area right here with our in and out point, and then we hit export right here. All right, so we check that everything is looking good with the title right here and also with the file location. So the format, I usually use H.264, and on the presets, match adaptive high bitrate. The only thing that you need to change is on the video right here. I'm going to leave the frame rate on 25. The frame size for a vertical video in my case is 1080 by 1920. So we go on more, we press the three dots right here. We scroll down a little bit and we check these boxes: render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. And also on the encoding settings, on the performance, just choose hardware encoding and not software encoding. After that, you're going to scroll a little bit down, and on the target bitrate, you're going to set that all the way up to 50. Okay, so we've set the target bitrate to 50. And this is basically what you will only need. And we just hit export, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed.